Hey people, so we are at Manchi Buffet, and as you can see, it's like a crazy variety of desserts. And I'm here on a Thursday where children are, moong dal halwa and semia paisam and all of that. Oh, and there is, it's a foodie heaven really. And okay, are you sure? Wow, Anviko, what is this? What is this?
It's not, I mean, that's, I mean, for children.
Yeah, it's a, yeah, but I'm quite taken in by the, you have the, you can't see it from here, but I might as well concentrate on this. This is strawberry pastry, chena sandwich, caramel chocolate, orange kalakand, basil cold cheese and all, malai barfi. So this is something that is so worth trying really.